Welcome back to another episode of Real Talk in Real Estate. Today, I want to talk to you about contracts, specifically the Texas Real Estate Commission's 1 to 4 family contract that we use in residential real estate. Real estate contracts are not just paperwork. This contract, the TREC 1 to 4 family contract that I'm talking about, it exists because of law, statute, regulation, or court interpretations. These forms are designed to define rights, allocate risk, and protect you, the consumers. So when we treat contracts casually, we're not just skipping paperwork, we're ignoring legal consequences. So contracts do several things. They are legally sufficient, they protect the public from unauthorized practice of law, and they reflect the current statutes and court interpretations that may have just happened. Contracts are built on Texas statutes, federal law, Texas case law, risk allocation, and regulatory requirements. Every paragraph exists because of law, whether it's statutory, regulatory, or court interpretation, like I just said, and is designed to allocate the risk and define rights or limit liability. This matters because proficiency in contracts is important. So if you hear me saying the same thing over and over again, statutory regulation, court interpretation, it's because it matters. And it matters because some of these paragraphs respond to multiple laws and give clarity. Your agent, whoever you're working with to help you secure a home, should be proficient in contracts and strive to stay educated, not just because a broker told them to, but because they have an interest in protecting their clients' rights. Your agent should know your termination rights. They should know about financing addendums and other addendums. They should know about default remedies. They should know about option periods, disclosure requirements and timing, and they should know how many ways you as a buyer can get out of a contract. So, if you're curious about learning more about contracts and understanding the importance of a Texas Real Estate Commission 1 to 4 family contract when you're purchasing a home, I want you to get into my 90-day Home Buyer Challenge group. This is a group where I'm going to be talking about the entire process of purchasing a home, not just the financial part, the search part, but we're going to talk about the paperwork part because that is what usually results in 99.9% of lawsuits, and not having clarity is absolutely critical. You have to have clarity. So if you want to get in or you want that guide, DM me 90 days and I will add you to the Facebook group. There's also a 90-day home buyer challenge guide inside of that Facebook group. So make sure you get in there, get informed, because remember, information is free. It's what you do with that information that determines your future. I'll see you guys next time on Real Talk in Real Estate. Bye.